presentation. For the introduction, the manufacturing primary is the managers, and my two main staff is the quantity control manager and plant managers. And the manufacturing focus on internal. That means they just work in the manufacturing by making the products with the high quality before giving to the market. And next stage is the main role of the manager. I have direct to responsible for providing manufacturing team. That means I improve the leadership, coaching, mentoring, and guidance to training my staff before sending them to work. And I have to teach the management skill to help them direct their staff. And I also support my staff because I want them will have the high attitude when they work in the workplace. I also have responsible to improve manufacturing cost and quantity of products before delivery to the customer. Next part, I will give into the quantity control managers.
Hello everyone, my name is Tuệ. I'm a quality control manager. Firstly, I would like to talk about the quality control. Quality control is the process used to ensure products that meet the company quality requirements before they sold out into the external market. The company use quality control process typically have a team of workers who focus on testing a certain number of products as random determining whether the company meet the company standard. The benefit of quality control is customer who receive a high quality product. The company try to produce a product that at high quality, so the company receive a customer expectation and customer loyalty, and therefore the company the quality control in manufacturing department pay off the company in both reputation and revenue. Now I would like to talk about the quality control manager. Quality control manager ensure the product or service an organization is fit for purpose, is consistent and meets in both external and internal requirements. This include legal compliance and customer expectation. The quality control manager also, or sometimes called quality manager, assurance manager, they coordinate the activity required to meet the quality standard. Furthermore, they also monitor and apply on their performance on quality management system. And they also apply on train their implementation, provide training, tools, and other things to achieve the quality. And responsibility, quality control need to adaptable in order to meet the customer expectation and ensure legal compliance. They require a variety of mature and management. And this include ISO 9000 and other tools such as devising and establishing the company procedure standard, and they also review customer expectation and ensure that they are met. And finally, they set up and maintain the control and documentation procedure. Now, planner will talk.
Hello everyone, my name is Phước and I'm main plant manager of the manufacturing. Today I will show you what the plant manager do and my responsibility and which skill I have to be a plant manager. So let's begin. First, I want to talk about the responsibility. The first responsibility is that I have to watch over and organize the manufacturing plant to make sure that the work finished before the work done schedule and create a new plan, new step for the manufacturing. The secondly, I have to observe the employee production and efficiency to make to make sure everything runs smoothly, quickly, safely as I planned it. Lastly, I have to motivate my staff member to make sure that they have to work with their 100% enthusiasm in their work. And there's some my requirement skill that if you want to have to be a plant manager with me, like me, you know, the first is internal personal skill that you have to communicate with your staff. You have to listen to them to find out what mistake they have to find out to to make them share some their opinion to make you improve yourself. Secondly, is a leadership skill so important. I have to motivate them to make sure the plan and the whole company runs smoothly. Lastly, this is the problem solving skill that I have to identify the problem, find out the methods and solve it as quick as I can. And now my staff, the maintenance supervisor, will talk about his job for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kun and I'm the maintenance supervisor at the Star Industry. And of course I work in the manufacturing department. I'm here today to introduce you some information about my shop and some requirements when you do being a maintenance supervisor. First, just a brief description about the job. Being a maintenance supervisor, it means you have skill to repair, to check the problematic of the system and also the facility. It means you have to check every single machine or cable or power source in the factory to make sure it works correctly and prevent your worker suffer occupational accident caused by machine with the bad condition. As a supervisor, I have power to hire employee. It's my subordinate. I have to training them to use the machine, how to fix it, and I have to schedule them. I have a specific plan, and and I have to evaluate their work. And it's just my responsibility and about my duty. When I work as a maintenance supervisor, I have to make a report about how the system works. Is work with a high quality or not, and if it's not, I have to give a solution for my manager and also give the reason. A second part of my duty is really a hard job because I need to evaluate the performance of my employee. I need to observe every process, whatever they did, to evaluate their work, to check if they deserve their salary or not. The last thing, if you want to become a maintenance supervisor, you have to have some. You have to first you must be a maintainer. You have to have skill to repair machine. You have to learn the machine in our factory. And if you want to be a maintenance supervisor, you have to have some certificate, some degree. And here is just 3 organizations that you will offer you a chance to have that degree to become a supervisor. This is my presentation, and next my boss will continue.
In conclusion, as I mentioned, the manufacturing works internal, and as the manager, the primary manager, they have to teach staff what they need to do. As the quality control managers, they have to take the feedback from the customer to make sure the products in the future have higher quality to serve the customer. And the plant manager have to do make a new plan and new staff for the manufacturing, and they have to motivate and organize their staff, who is the maintenance supervisor. He solve the problem of the system and have the machine work fluently. That's it of the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Alright, thank you guys. So